Welcome friends. In this video you have been given question answer of lesson number 13 sound. Question number first. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. A. The propagation of sound does not occur through a vacuum. B. Noise pollution is a social issue. C. The sound which is disagreeable to the ears is called noise. D. Noise has adverse effects on our health, mind, concentration, cards. Question number second. What should we do? A. The silencer of a motorcycle is broken. Answer. The silencer should be repaired immediately to reduce noise pollution. Driving such a motorcycle should not be attempted till the silencer is fixed. B. A factory in the surroundings is producing continuous loud noise. Answer. We should inform about the loud noise to the authorities of the factories. If there is any problem with machinery in the factories, it should be repaired by the owners of the factory. If they are not paying and need, then we can complain to the nearby police station. Question number third. Write the answers in your own words. A. What is meant by vibration? Answer. The rapid oscillations or to and fro movements of an object is called vibration. Vibrating objects have a particular speed. B. Explain with the help of practical examples how sound is propagated through solids. Answer. Sound propagates with a maximum speed through the solid medium. We can hear the sound of a train which is far off by placing our ear to the railway track. If we knock at the door, the person inside the room can hear it clearly. C. What is meant by noise pollution? Answer. A condition in which there is continuous, unwanted and unpleasant sound is called noise pollution. D. What measures will you take to control noise pollution? Answer. Unnecessary blowing of horn on the vehicles should be completely prevented. 2. The entertainment of our homes should not be trouble for others. Therefore, the volume of TV or radio should be kept at minimum. It should be restricted only to those who are watching or listening to the programs. 3. Engines of unmaintained vehicles produce lot of unwanted and hard sound. Therefore, maintenance of vehicles should be done. Such noise should be avoided completely. 4. Factories, airports, railway stations and bus stands etc. can create lot of noise. Therefore, they should not be located in the residential areas, but they should be away from localities where people stay. Question number 4. Complete the table. For more videos of question answer of 6th standard, check the video description. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Study Everything. Thank you for watching.